Sleep, salty implants have also been effective in excruciating pain or costly corrective surgery. So, if you suffered failure of your metal-on-metal hip implant, resulting in pain and disability,
Hello.
if it requires revision surgery to replace the hip component, then the time to act is now. Call our toll-free hotline now, as time may be limited to file a claim. The call and case review are free, and significant compensation may